Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Shazia. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys a detailed video on beginner's guide to eye makeup brushes and how to use eye makeup brushes to do your eye makeup, and also essential makeup brushes you need to have in your makeup kit. So yes, without any further ado, let's just get started with the video. The first brush that I use is this thin angled brush. This is from Miniso, and I use this to fill in my brows. And if you're someone who uses a brow powder to fill in your brows, then you definitely need to have this kind of a thin angled brush. Some brow powders do come with their own brushes, which is great, but if you don't have, you can definitely purchase a thin angled brush like this one. It's very easy and very precise brush, so it really helps in filling my brows. And of course, if you're using any other product like a brow pencil or something, you absolutely don't need it. I mean, yeah, that just makes sense. So yeah, you can see I'm just filling the front part of my brows. That's what I usually do, and then I'm going to use this spoolie to brush through my brows. And this is just a spoolie that I took from an old mascara that I wasn't using anymore. So yeah, if you have an old mascara that you aren't using anymore, you can just use that, and I think that's also a must-have product, especially if you use a brow powder to fit in your brows. The next brush that is a must-have is a blending brush, and again, this is by Miniso, and I use this brush to apply colors to my outer corner and to my crease. So it's perfect for blending since it has a rounded shape. It really helps in blending, and you can see the type of motion that I'm using in blending my eyeshadow on my crease. I'm using sweeping motions on my crease, and on my outer corner I placed the color and then used circular motions to blend in my eyeshadow. And yeah, so this type of a round blending brush really is a must-have, and it's perfect for blending your eyeshadow, so it's a must-have brush. And you can get these blending brushes from any local stores. A lot of brands also these days have a lot of brushes that you can buy and use depending on your budget. And yeah, but the thing is, a lot of these brush sets come with so many eye makeup brushes. Some of them you don't even need, so I personally would suggest get individual brushes. That's way better, at least that's what I think. So yeah, I applied another dark brown shade to my outer corner, and then I'm using a bigger fluffy blending brush. And the reason I use two brushes, one is a slightly bigger one because the bigger one since it's bigger in size, it blends the larger part of your eye, the crease area, and also if you apply like 2 or 3 shades to your crease and outer corner, it's more better to use a separate brush for blending them, a clean one. So that's the reason I personally would suggest have at least 2 blending brushes, one a slightly bigger one and the other one a medium sized one, like I showed you guys, the Miniso one. And then you guys, flat shader brush. I'm sure most of you already own this. It's such a basic brush, and this is used to apply colors to your eyelid. So you can see I'm using that to apply this shimmery brown shade to my eyelids. And since it has a flat edge, it's perfect for placing colors in your lids. And if you want, you can also use your fingers instead of the flat shader brush, but if you have it, I think it's better you can switch between the brush and the fingers. That's what I do personally. So yeah, once again, I'm just blending the edges of all the shades using that big fluffy blending brush that I used earlier. And then I'm taking the shimmery bronze shade and using my finger, I'm applying it right in the middle of my eye. I'm trying to create like a halo eye sort of a look. And like I just told you guys, I switch between my fingers and the flat shader brush when it comes to applying colors on my lid. So this time I'm using a brush just because this is a shimmery shade, so it's gonna pop out more, and I'm just gonna apply it just to the middle, so that's why I felt like the fingers was a better option here. But I could have used the brush also. Like I said, it's totally, you can just switch between them. And then I'm just blending the edges of the shimmery shade and the matte brown shade using my fingers as well as the flat shader brush. So it's all about the switching and how you use both of them to do your to apply shades to your eyelids. So yeah, next I'm using this thin eyeliner brush. It's by Faces. And since it's a very thin brush, it's perfect for applying colors to a very thin part of your eye, that is your lower lash line. So like you can see, I'm applying that matte brown shade to my lower lash line using that thin brush, and using that Miniso fluffy blending brush, I'm just blending any harsh edges. And then once again, I'm using that thin eyeliner brush to apply that bronzy shade right in the middle of my eye, just to give that halo eye effect. And then I'm using this thin eyeliner brush. This came along with my Maybelline gel liner, and I use this for applying gel liner to my lower waterline, like you can see. So yeah, then I'm using that same Faces brush, that thin eyeliner one, to apply this highlighter to my inner corner as well as brow bone. And yeah guys, that's all. I went ahead and applied falsies and eyeliner off camera, and I think just these 6 brushes are what you require. You don't need more than them. These brushes are just essential and enough to do your whole eye makeup. So yes guys, I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, definitely give it a like and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And if you have any queries regarding eye brushes or anything, you can ask me in the comments. Thank you so much for watching this video. I shall see you guys in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Stay safe.